Hi everybody, today I have got this real kimchi ramen by Jonga. Kimchi ramen is a popular Korean meal and has a rich, deep, and fiery flavor. Making it from scratch can be a bit of a hassle, but thankfully we have these instant kimchi ramen packets that make this dish easy and versatile to prepare from anywhere. Each pack of this ramen comes with 4 individually wrapped packets. To prepare this ramen, all you need to do is add the noodle, kimchi pack, and soup powder into 400 milliliters of boiling water. Cook it for 3 minutes, stir well, and serve. Each individually wrapped packet has 400 calories per serving. There are also 1,870 milligrams of sodium, which is 81% of your daily value, something that you might want to take into consideration. And there are 9 grams of protein in each serving. When storing this ramen, it's best to keep it in a cool, dry place. Avoid direct sunlight and high temperature. This ramen has an expiration date of just under 1 year from the date of its manufacturing. I'm going to open this ramen and we'll take a look inside. As you can see, there are 4 individually wrapped packets inside this package. This kimchi ramen is advertised as hot and spicy. And what's unique about this is that there's a real kimchi packet inside. The kimchi packet is not a dry, dehydrated packet of kimchi, but instead is wet kimchi, ready to eat. Now I'm going to open up this smaller packet of kimchi ramen and we'll see the sachets that are inside. Here we have the contents of the kimchi ramen packet displayed. This is the sachet of soup powder. It's a dry soup powder. And here we have the real kimchi pack. This kimchi is not dehydrated and it's not dry. It's wet and ready to eat. And here's the block of noodles. These ramen noodles are thicker than average ramen noodles, making them high quality and authentic. I'm going to prepare this ramen for you so you can see what the final product looks like. Here's the final product, cooked and prepared. I'll show you the ramen. And as you can see, there are little bits of kimchi inside. It's still pretty hot from the preparation, so I'm just going to take a little bit here and take a little taste. But I'll tell you that in preparing this ramen, you really smell the spicy flavor right as you open up the soup base and as you prepare it. It smells pungent, spicy, and let's see how it tastes. There's definitely a spice that you get right away. And let me taste a little bit of that kimchi. The kimchi really adds a great flavor to this ramen.
Yummy.
So I really recommend this ramen if you're looking for a unique instant ramen. And if you don't have your own kimchi lying around, what's great about this is that the kimchi that comes with it in each packet, it's already wet and not dehydrated. So it has a really great flavor. I hope you'll have the opportunity to try this kimchi ramen. If you've never tried this kimchi ramen before, I highly recommend it. Give it a try and let us know what you think.
Enjoy. Bye-bye.